According to the Buddhist tradition, all Buddhas have attained the realization under a tree, and what more, under a medicinal tree. Actually, according to Indian medicine or holistic medicine, every plant has some medical faculties. Every plant has some thing to give us. We live on the oxygen from the plants, we live on the oxygen from the trees, we are dependent on our surrounding. When our surrounding is polluted, it is much more difficult to keep the mind pure. When we live in a non-defiled surrounding, it is much easier to keep the mind pure. So the ideal is, when we want to learn meditation, is to live in that surrounding where we have no conflict with outside. Then we can turn inside. That's why the most of the monasteries, they are in or meditation centers, they are in the places where nature creates a kind of feeling of harmony. And the man comes from nature, is formed by nature, and in a way is part of the nature. Because we have lost this contact, so even so we live in a prosperous society, we live in endless conflicts, which are mostly due to the alienation from the nature. Being alienated from the nature is to be alienated from oneself, and this most of us do not see very clearly. So we should bring this awareness.